The Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is a key component of the Java platform that provides a runtime environment for Java programs to run. It is a software layer that sits on top of the operating system and provides an abstract platform for executing Java bytecode. The JVM works by interpreting or compiling Java bytecode, which is a platform-independent intermediate code that is generated by the Java compiler from the source code. When a Java program is executed, the JVM loads the bytecode and converts it into machine code that can be executed by the underlying hardware. The JVM consists of several components, including class loader. The class loader is responsible for loading Java classes into the JVM at runtime. It reads bytecode from a class file and creates an internal representation of the class in memory. Bytecode verifier. The bytecode verifier checks the bytecode for security and correctness. It ensures that the bytecode adheres to the rules and restrictions of the Java language and prevents malicious code from being executed. Just-in-time, JIT, compiler. The JIT compiler is responsible for compiling Java bytecode into native machine code at runtime. It analyzes the bytecode and identifies frequently executed code segments, which it compiles into native code for faster execution. Garbage collector. The garbage collector is responsible for managing memory allocation and deallocation in the JVM. It automatically frees up memory that is no longer being used by the program, preventing memory leaks and improving overall performance. Execution engine. The execution engine is responsible for executing the compiled machine code. It interprets the bytecode or executes the native code generated by the JIT compiler. The JVM is designed to be platform independent, which means that Java programs can be written once and run on any platform that has a JVM installed. This makes Java an ideal language for developing cross-platform applications. In summary, the Java Virtual Machine, JVM, is a crucial component of the Java platform that provides a runtime environment for executing Java programs. It interprets or compiles bytecode, manages memory, and executes machine code on any platform, making it a powerful and versatile tool for developing cross-platform applications.